Hey everybody, welcome back to Jay's TV. Today is the Sunday breakdown of GJ, and I'll show y'all what I'm looking for in the market and what should happen or may happen next week on the upcoming trading day. All right, so I already marked up the charts, but it's not showing because I have everything hid. So I'll show you the mark throughs and we'll walk down. Show y'all what I'm looking at. I know you think a lot is going on. It's like crazy. Why so much going on? But let's break this down. So first off, let's hide this real quick. So first off, what we like to do is go all the way to the monthly chart and get a view on what does the overall month look like from a higher time frame. We can see prices trading right here. If we go up, we can see price hit right here. And if we go down below, we can see right here, this rally-based rally is where price is currently trading at now. So when I have on the price markers, you can see I already have those indicated up here about where these little white boxes at. So here go current price. We look up, price hit this top mark, and from current price all the way here, price hit down below. And I also got the middle range of where price hit. I know it looked like it's a lot going on, guys, but just bear with me. And price came and touched right here. We can see price hit this once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So that is definitely an important part that we want to look at. And then if you come where current price is, you can see right here, there was a base drop and price dropped out of there. And then down here, it was a rally-based rally and price came up right here. But if we look at it, you can see this W pattern that is starting to happen. So we're going to keep that in mind. So if you look at the white lines, I have 1 white line, 2 white lines, 3, 4 white lines. So where did I get those white lines? So all I do is come over here to the corner. I take price range, put it right here, and I drag it all the way down. And I take that range is roughly $55, and I divide it by 3. So I take this line, I divide that by 3, add that to it, then do another divide by 3, and then so on, so on. So you get 3 equal lines. And that is just the playing field that I like to look at. Right here, I look for demand. Right here, I'm looking for supply. And right here, this is like in the third quadrant, it's like a no man's land. So that's what I'm looking at. I know it's a lot going on, guys, but just bear with me. All right, so let's drop down on the weekly. So if we blow this up, so we're going to get rid of this. If we blow this up right here, we already got our fibs already in there, already in place. So all I did was come over here, get the fib tool, come all the way down here to the bottom, drew it all the way up to the top. And then you can see right here where these red lines at is these are the fib lines. So if we want to change this, I like keeping that one red. I like making this one green because this is one of the most popular ones. And then we can put one right here to make this one yellow. So we're going to make this one yellow. And then we'll make this one white. And then so when we have all of that drawn down, we got the prices that they are, and then everything right here. So when we have that done, we no longer need this. So we're going to take it off. So now on the weekly, we're trying to define the trend. So what is the trend? So if we go over here, we're going to get the trend line tool, and we're going to try to see what the trend is. So if we start from here and go all the way up, we can roughly see that we are in an uptrend. So we're in an uptrend. That tells us that. And where are we in that uptrend? If we drag it all the way back, we're roughly, so let me do this. Let me change this to blue so y'all can see the markers where we are located in the trend. Change the blue. We're gonna make this one blue as well. So, and this one blue as well. So if we see, we are in the middle of the box inside the trend. So we still have some room up here till we get up here where price may start acting funny. So we're right down here now. We look like we're about to touch the 0.618 fib line. So in the event that we touch it, let's see how much room do we have to go. So we got about 2,000 pips. So that's enough for us. That's enough. So let's take that off. Okay. We know we're in an uptrend. We know we are in the middle of the quadrant. And we already have our markers paced out where price could go and start acting funny at any point. So let's go down to the daily. All right. All right. So we're down to the daily. We know we're in the middle of the box. That's why, like, all this is nothing but consolidation. Price was going sideways, then it broke out. Price was going up, it started going sideways, it broke out. So that's where that comes from. So if we look over here, we can see the continuation of the uptrend, and we can also see when price tried to pull back. We're going to pull out the fib tool again just to confirm it. What point is it at? So we're looking at our fibs. It's all the way down here at 0.764, a psychological level that it could turn at. And we see that we start turning right here. It started turning. So what can we expect? This could be our first target. I would do first target about long up in here, second target, third target. So we no longer need that as well. Get it out. All right, so how can we do our setup? So let's drop down until the 1 hour so we can see where we put our setup at and what do it look like. I don't want this video to be long, so that's why I'm not going that much into detail. And I know y'all like, oh my God, her chart is crazy. All right, so we're looking for price to go up there. So we have our price point. If we want to be more conservative, we can bring it down here. And we could always adjust if we need to. All right, so we see price has up, came up, broke, came back to one of our fib levels, and then start pulling out. So you can choose to take a bigger stop loss. It's still a 2.32 risk to reward. You can take this full, or you can bring your stop a little tighter and put it like about right there. So if price come back down, about right there. because you still want to give price some wiggle room. So, and that will give you a 4.31 risk to reward. You see right here, you got that W, you got that retest, and then price made a higher high right here, right there. So you got the W, you got the higher low, you got the higher high, then you got another higher high, and then a higher low for confirmation. So I am probably about 75% that it will reach our target. But you know what? To be safe, I would like to bring our target right here, because it's a lot of noise up in this area. But you see that price wick once, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So it's gonna like suck over there. So that is my trading analysis for GJ for next week. If this was crazy for y'all, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to walk you through what I'm looking at a slower pace. But I didn't want this video to be too long, so I tried to speed up the process. All right, thank y'all guys so much for tuning in to Jay's TV, and I will see you next week.